Hi, I'm Mindy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing video for Twisted Retreat, which is a horror book subscription box brought to us from the makers of Unplugged Bookbox, which has really beautiful items and useful items in their boxes and very special versions of the books. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what the Twisted Retreat box has to offer. There are a few options on the website for Twisted Retreat. I got the monthly box, which is $52 a month. You can get the book only and get one of the very special edition books for $27.99, or you can do one-time orders of a partial box for $47. Now let's see what's in the box. This is the first thing I see. Very soft material. Am I doing this upside down? Aw. It is a pillowcase. It says, "Welcome to my house. Come freely, go safely, and leave something of the happiness you bring." Super soft pillowcase. That's cute. I'm not sure what book that would be from, but if there's a spoiler card, it will let us know. We have some popcorn. What flavor is it? Caramel apple popcorn. And it is spooky campfire stories, a spooky snack for around the campfire. Caramel apple. That's a nice fall treat. Definitely going to be eating that. And that's from Cornucopia Popcorn. What else do we have? This is, whoa. Oh, sweet. Shower steamers. The theme is The Mist. The movie, book, The Mist by Stephen King, I'm guessing. The scent is terror, apples, and sin. There's a little phrase on it that says, "Dreams, after all, are instrumental things like mist itself." I do love bath items very much. Whoa, there's a bunch more stuff in here. Okay, there's a little box. What is this? It looks like a glass? A candle holder? I don't know. Let me see. It's in a little baggy thing. Probably to protect the glass. This is so stinking cute. Oh. Make me coffee or give me death. Brew at your own risk. Freshly brewed Twisted Retreat. Glass. And the lid has room for a straw. Iced coffee. That is adorable. I love it. And I love coffee, so gonna be using that. I have some iced coffee that I could make. Check it out. Here's another box. Oh, there's a sticker on the side that says Telltale Heart. by Edgar Allan Poe. So let's see what the Telltale Heart themed item is. Oh my gosh. What are you? Whoa. Okay. Pieces of... It's a heart. A telltale heart. That is sick. Anatomical heart. It's going up on the bookshelf for sure. I love that. Oh, sit like that. Oh my god, I love it. Last little box. Is it a candle? Thinking maybe a candle. It's a candle. It's an Annabelle themed candle. The Magician, Twisted Retreat, Annabelle. Warning, positively do not open. Don't open Annabelle's case. And the lid says Annabelle Haunting Doll. Warning, positively do not open. Carved wood. And the design. And I opened it. Sue me. It smells really good. There is a tarot card. There's going to be a tarot card in every box. Twisted Retreat version tarot cards. This one is the Annabelle tarot card, which is the Magician card. Okay. And we have a little postcard art print type thing with a letter from the author. Have another art print with a circular Ouija board. The spoiler card. Ah, I found the straw. Okay, we got the straw for iced coffee. And the book. Finally, the book. And the book is When the Night Bells Ring by Joe Kaplan. I saw this when I was at Barnes & Noble last and was thinking about getting it. Gonna take the plastic off. So this shows you what the original cover looks like and what our cover looks like. It's a lighter color, but similar. The tagline is, "What lurks in the dark will come for you." This is by Camcat Books. And it says, "Don't awaken what sleeps in the dark." This seems to be a post-apocalyptic novel after some climate disasters, um, and some people stumble upon an old silver mine, but there's something waiting in the dark of the mine. Oh, that sounds fantastic. I've been looking into this book. Now to show you what's special about these books. First of all, it's signed. Second of all, sprayed edges. There's like a lantern on the side, and then there's the guys. Looks like bats in a mountain or mine. Bell. That's beautiful. The end pages are really cool. And naked hardcover. Like the lantern, coffin, bats. The back has a bull, skull or something. Love the gold foiling. I mean, it's a gorgeous book. And that is everything. So, $52 is a lot of money, but with the items that I've gotten here, got paper items, got the beautiful signed special edition book, candle, glass, telltale heart decoration, steamers, a snack, and the pillowcase. I think it's definitely worth $52, probably way more than that. So I'm really excited about this new subscription. The pillowcase is Dracula themed. That makes sense. Oh, this is a vase, apparently. I guess there are little holes on all the valves and arteries and whatnot. Little flowers could poke up everywhere. And now I know the next month's theme will be, Will You Survive? Very happy with the box. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and seeing this new subscription from a already seasoned subscription box curator. And I will be back very soon with another book related video. Thanks. Bye.